My name is Boris Pash. I'm the director of the Comprehensive Cancer Center at Wake Forest Baptist. I'm also the chair of the Department of Cancer Biology. Wake and Shake has had a tremendous impact on the research activities of the Cancer Center over the past decade. And I think the close interactions between Wake and Shake and the Comprehensive Cancer Center at Wake Forest Baptist is unique. In particular, it has helped fund high-risk, high-research, and high-impact initiatives that otherwise would not have existed and would not have resulted in a significant breakthrough. One is the development of a new drug. The second is an impact on healthcare equity. And the third is the development of novel technologies. Approximately 10 years ago, thanks to Wake and Shake fundraising, we were able to fund the work of a physician-scientist, Dr. Tim Party, and was able to demonstrate that when this compound was added to cancer cells in the presence of chemotherapy, it was shutting down the metabolism of these tumors. This work was very important. It was high risk, high reward. Nobody had shown anything like that before. And what came out of this work spearheaded novel trials, both in refractory leukemia, lymphoma, as well as pancreatic cancer, a disease that is even far more frequent than leukemia. And a study that was done at Wake Forest based on this preliminary finding showed a response rate that was more than double than what had been seen before with standard therapy. So potentially, Wake and Shake will have transformed the therapy of 3 different diseases through a seminal funding that was done. The second example I wanted to highlight was healthcare equity. We know that different ethnic groups or different minorities have done differently in terms of cancer care, both with respect to diagnosis and treatment, but especially outcome. So through Wake and Shake, we were able to fund a Hispanic navigator, which has now become a permanent position at the Cancer Center. And we saw a dramatic rise in the recruitment of Hispanic patients into clinical trials. So Wake and Shake really had an impact on healthcare equity and access to care, and has really spearheaded the development of a new approach to help patients with disease that otherwise would not have been offered cutting-edge technology. The third major impact made by Wake and Shake fundraising has been technology development. Through Wake and Shake, we were able to purchase equipment for nanoparticle generation and detection, and the investigators that received this funding have now acquired R01 funding, the most prestigious type of funding from the National Institute of Health, and are spearheading several studies to expand the use of nanoparticle, both with respect to diagnosis and treatment of a variety of tumor types. On behalf of all members of the Comprehensive Cancer Center at Wake Forest Baptist, on behalf of all patients who have benefited from this tremendous contribution, I would like to express my sincere gratefulness for the work done over the past few years, the enthusiasm and the motivation that touches so many lives.